Okay, so today I have ordered a random orbital sander, and it came in from Zvezka. I don't know how you say that. That was an attempt. We'll open it up here and see what it looks like. Alright, got some gloves. I don't know how much help those will be. Got some safety glasses here. Check these out. Oh, nice. Not your standard clear safety glasses. We got some purple and green going on here. And then here is the sander. So everything looks pretty standard here. There's a little filter in there. You adjust your speed right here. Velcro or hook and loop for your disc. It comes with some disc. It looks like about 7 of them, and varying grits. Got some PVC tape or tape for the connection. Got some earplugs, and we even got the little wrench for tightening down the air fittings. So yeah, that's it. Oh yeah, sorry, missed this here. That actually came with it. Cool.